All right, finally have an update for you guys on the KLX450 build. We are progressing to the next step here. Gonna go down to my buddy's house and get a job done to fit the throttle body. But you guys will see when we get there. Let's go ahead and get on the road. Yeah, okay, we know this reading is false. Ain't no way the Raptor's getting what it's supposed to get, 16 miles per gallon. Let's fix that. Oh, look at the hit right there. I gotta say, it feels kind of cool towing around a stripped down bike, because normally when you see a dirt bike in a truck or a trailer, it's ready to go rip, but we're doing big things out here and we got a stripped down frame doing a 450 swap. Oh no, we hit a slight hill, we're down to 13. That's more like it. Actually, more like it is about 11 or 10, but I guess we'll settle for 13. There it is. She's pretty clean.
What?
She's pretty clean. Not like actually clean, but
supposed to be,
pretty cool.
Right here, up front. That bolt's not supposed to be loose.
Did it come with this?
No, that's
from
yours?
The
KLX, yeah.
What's this? Oh, the modes.
Yeah, the modes. These grips, I got 2 rides out of them. They're $50.
Oh, that's good. Kind of makes me want one. Don't be shy. How much do you get it for?
The KLX, the CR, and $3,000.
Huh. What year is it?
19.
Not bad then. You said it was a practically brand new one, yeah? It was like a...
So, if you look right here, wheel weights.
Uh-huh.
Probably an old dude bought it. He put off-road tires on the front and rear, balanced them. He had a fanny pack and everything. I'm pretty sure he just used it as a street
like a dual
bike.
sport or something.
Then realized it's a race bike, not a dual sport.
Oh, I thought this thing was supposed to be like super smooth and luggy and stuff.
Compared to the 450, yes, but it's on the street, like especially with dirt tires and everything, it's not smooth. It's a smooth dirt bike, not a smooth dual sport.
So we're probably gonna have to cut, what you think, here, like chop it off here and down here, and just that little L shape right there.
Yeah, and make something that goes from here to here.
Yeah, and you're thinking of supporting it back over there. Well, we're gonna have to support it over here too once the throttle body's in.
Yeah.
And then
whether it be underneath or above or
yeah, and the exhaust. I didn't think about this, but with the shock reservoir over here now, we're gonna have to snake an exhaust, a custom exhaust through here, probably like over and down, which is gonna be quite funky. But I guess it's, as he pointed out, it's not any worse than the Yamaha's starting back here, going around the engine and out. So yeah, I guess that's the plan.
or a turbo.
Yeah, worst case, you just put a turbo on there and you don't need to worry about the exhaust back there. You just dump it straight down.
Or you don't have to worry about the airbox as well.
Yeah. All right. Well, I guess we are cutting down here and right there.
More or less, yeah. Going down her back.
All right. Yep.
Gonna have to put that. Then cardboard or CAD, cardboard aided design.
Cardboard aided design. So that piece is out. Next step, we're going to go ahead and put the motor back in, and hopefully the throttle body fits. So we still have the shock mounting point up here. Obviously it's not supported. We're gonna have to do something over here to support it. We can't gusset it.
Hold it. Take it. Take it.
It's probably hot, dude.
That's what I was trying to get you.
So yeah, as you can see, we cut off a little L piece there. Yeah, we can't gusset it because that's probably where the exhaust is gonna go, but we'll figure out something to support it.
Really like,
yeah, something like that. But we'll know more once we get the throttle body in there. Yeah, so let's stab the motor in. All right, hopefully this worked.
it's not going in.
It's not going in. Does it need to go higher?
I don't think there's enough room to get it into position.
Not through there.
No, not even. Let's take the shock out. Yeah.
That would be one service nightmare, taking the shock out to get the throttle body, go up and under.
Ducati quality.
Ducati quality.
Yeah, no, it's not gonna fit in this way without.
And it's not going through the top, huh?
Just gonna bend this out of the way. No, I don't think so.
Looks like that would need to be cut higher.
Yeah, even then, I think we're gonna have to cut way more.
Does not fit. Have to cut higher up here and probably to the edge of,
We'll start with this guy.
yeah.
Pretty clean cut. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to cut more of this off.
Yeah. Side to side clearance looks good.
No. That piece is gonna be like right about here.
Yeah, that's gonna be close.
No, it's gonna be in there. Like that far.
You don't think
Yeah.
we're just right up here?
And we'll leave it like that.
For good luck?
Yep. Oh. Is there a way to move this guy?
What do you mean move it?
Because that's gonna be right into the shock.
What'd you do? That's
That
So we just had
might
to tilt it a little bit?
barely work. That actually looks pretty good.
Oh yeah.
You have these coming out from here. I don't know what that sensor is, but you can probably, yeah, it's workable.
Something.
The fuel line can go up here and out there.
Up here to there.
You're not leaving much room for the exhaust, but you can get that gold tape and just tape that off with a gold heat
I
tape.
mean, it's just the throttle cables in there, but yeah.
But
you
it's
don't-
plastic,
But you
yeah.
don't want the plastic to melt.
Because that will get red hot.
Yeah, not leaving much room for the exhaust, but it is in, so.
It's,
Can we twist the rubber thing or no?
what rubber thing?
Well, because you know it has those little notches on it.
Well, look at the notch.
There's the notch.
It's on the other side of the notch. There's the notch and,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
So just tightening that down should have it pretty solid. This, you might want to be slightly like this.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to remove the shock every single. Actually, let's put the shock in. That's gonna be a tight air boot or whatever they do for that to get it just.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be up against the shock. Well, isn't the KLX is up against something though?
It's almost up against it, but you're gonna have to have like a weird shape.
Yeah,
like
it's going to have to
oval.
come around here
Yeah.
in the box, or it's going to come
But
around
again,
out
that's
here.
not for now. That's later.
Well, yeah,
problem.
all the plastic stuff for their box is going to have to be custom. If you hold that there,
Custom plastic or custom metal?
probably plastic, unless we go to the last resort of a turbo.
Because then you could just have a metal piece just go up here and like get rid of all this area.
Frickin' Ram Air, just
Well-
out here. And Yeah, I mean, you could still
Then
make
put
it.
some extra oil in
You
there.
still could make a metal airbox. Well, I mean, yeah, you could make a metal airbox.
I can't. I'm not that good. It'll be ugly if I do it.
I mean, it'd just be square.
Dude, there's so many angles.
Well, I mean, okay, just a triangle here. You know, just yeah. There's also a lot of physics behind an airbox, apparently. So,
yeah, but it's a Kawasaki. I don't think Kawasaki cares about airbox physics.
no, probably not. All right, so we got the throttle body to a point here where it is serviceable. You just pull it out here, and then you pull it out through the top.
Same thing, but just slightly more big of a pain in the ass than the KLX. Just slightly.
No, the KLX was actually a bigger pain, I feel like, with this crossbar right here.
Yeah.
So, fuel line will be right here. Exhaust is gonna snake through here.
You're gonna have to move the sensor.
Once that's done, we're gonna have to come back and, of course, reinforce the frame. We're probably gonna have to go down here as well.
Figure something out with the oil plug.
Yeah, oil plug. We're either gonna have to notch the frame here, or
Hammer.
yeah, with a hammer, do something like that. Or if I can still get the plug off, probably have to use one of those things for differential fluid, where you can pump it in there with a straw.
Gotta reinforce here.
Yeah, reinforce here, which
That
means
has no support this way, besides this.
right. So we're gonna have to raise the fuel tank up. Chain alignment. I mean, it looks straight on camera from certain angles.
I would verify if it was straight or not, though. You don't want that chain breaking off when you're going 50 through the woods.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a little crooked there. I mean, the motor isn't sitting straight because we have play on the case of the motor back here, because we're gonna need to have spacers and a sleeve inserted through there. So that is pretty much the next step. We're gonna have to go ahead and get the spacers made for the motor, so that way the motor can be in its final resting place, so that way we can build the frame around it. Yeah, get the chain aligned, because the spacers are gonna determine where the motor sits side to side. So yeah, that's gonna be an important step right there. But yeah, I'd say today went pretty decent. We had to cut a lot more than I expected, but I guess that's what happens when the job is custom and you use CAD tools. Yeah, we're looking pretty solid. Today I definitely expected that we were gonna be gusseting the frame. Well, I guess I didn't expect it as soon as I got here, but before then, I was thinking we were gonna gusset the frame and whatnot, but we have a pretty solid game plan moving forward. So yes, next step will be making brackets chain aligned, and then we can start reinforcing the frame. Nice. That is going to do it for today's video. I am currently talking to the machine shop right now, so that way we can get the spacers made, getting a chain alignment tool, and that way the motor can be hard mounted. So we're moving along here. Be sure to stay tuned for more parts to the series of the KLX450R build. Be sure to drop a thumbs up. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.